Rolls-Royce Luxury and RV Flexibility, reinvent luxury travel with the 2026 Rolls-Royce RV. This is a luxury and comfort road warrior automobile. Overview: innovative and elegant 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhomes cost $450,000, 6.99 billion Indonesian rupiah. Its elegant design, Pantheon grille, and Spirit of Ecstasy badge highlight the brand's iconic flair. Hand-stitched leather, polished hardwoods, and tailored fabrics evoke five-star hotels. Specifications: key, V12 engine, hybrid option, 563 horsepower, 627 pound-feet, 8-speed automatic top speed, 155 miles per hour, 250 kilometers per hour, 30 kilowatt-hour lithium-ion battery with regenerative braking dimensions, 22 feet, L by 8 feet, W by 10 feet, H. Fuel economy: 15 to 20 miles per gallon, all-wheel drive with adjustable air suspension, 360-degree cameras, night vision, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, emergency braking, biometric security, 5G connectivity, AI-powered voice assistant, and smart home integration. A king-size bed, full bathroom with luxury fixtures, and fully equipped kitchen with induction stove, convection oven, wine cooler, and automated coffee maker are included. Solar panels for supplemental power, multi-zone climate control, air filtration, and aromatherapy are also included. Pros: luxury, handcrafted furnishings with high-quality materials and sophisticated conveniences. Cutting-edge technology, smart home integration, AI-assisted driving, and premium entertainment systems. Comfort: large living spaces, king-size master suite, and fully equipped kitchen. Rolls-Royce's iconic design oozes elegance on the road. Smooth ride, advanced suspension, and noise cancellation technology provide a relaxing driving experience. Exclusive production targets a prestige motorhome market. Cons: high price, unaffordable for most purchasers. High maintenance costs. Luxury materials and advanced technologies require particular attention. Large size may make it challenging in confined locations or cities. Despite hybrid components, vehicle size and luxury features may increase fuel consumption. Limited supply. Rolls-Royce may construct few, making purchase difficult. Motorhome tourists who value practicality may find the opulence overbearing. Last decision. With unsurpassed comfort, technology, and design, the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome defines luxury travel. Although its price and size may not suit everyone, it offers unmatched road-going luxury.